Hello children, I Reena Singh. Welcome back to the online classes. Children, today I am going to teach you lesson 4. The name of lesson 4 is Computer Mouse. So proceed part 1, Computer Mouse. Hello children, I Reena Singh. Welcome back to the online classes. Children, in previous chapters you have learned about computer and its parts. Children, you already know a computer has 4 main parts: monitor, mouse, keyboard, CPU. But in this chapter, you will learn about mouse in details. So, start with part 1, that is computer mouse. Children, in this chapter, you will learn computer mouse, uses of a mouse, how to hold and move a mouse, and using the mouse buttons and scroll wheel. Children, all of you must have seen a mouse in and around your house. Let's know about it. Children, you have must seen real mouse in your house. How it looks, see. A mouse is small in size. It has a tail. It runs very fast. In same way, a computer has a mouse. Now let's talk about the computer mouse. A computer mouse looks like a real mouse. See all of you? It is a mouse. It is small in size. It has 2 buttons, left and right, and a scroll wheel. It has a wire like a tail, which is fixed to the CPU box. Children, it is a mouse and it has a tail. This is called wire. It is fixed to the CPU box. Nowadays, we also use a wireless mouse. Do you know what is a wireless mouse? Listen, children, a mouse has no wire. That is called wireless mouse. A mouse is always kept on a mouse pad. See, children, this mouse is kept on mouse pad. This is a mouse pad. Now, next is uses of a mouse. Children, you know what is the use of a mouse? Children, a mouse helps us to draw pictures. If you want to draw any pictures, you can use mouse, and mouse is used to point and select any item on the monitor. It is used to play games also. When we move the mouse, we see a small arrow moving on the monitor. This arrow is called the mouse pointer. Children, you can see here a small arrow. This is called mouse pointer. If you move the mouse, this arrow also moves. Now next point is how to hold and move a mouse. Children, you have 5 fingers, and you know what is the name of your finger? See, this is thumb, this is the index finger and middle finger, and beside middle finger ring finger, and last is a small finger. Now, first of all, place your index finger on the left mouse button. A mouse has 2 buttons, this side left and that side right button. And first of all, you put your index finger on left button. Then place the middle finger on the right mouse button. Then hold the mouse with the rest of the fingers and thumb. Rest your palm on the mouse. Now move the mouse on the mouse pad. Watch the movement of the pointer on the screen as you move the mouse. Children, your index finger should be kept on left button and middle finger should be kept on right mouse button. Then rest part to hold the mouse. And now next is mouse buttons. All of us have seen camera. Yes, you must have seen camera. What would you say to your parents if you want to take photographs? If you want to take their photograph? Oh, let me click your photograph. See, the mouse also has same function, clicking. Pressing the left mouse button once is called clicking. This selects an item. If you click one time, that is called clicking. Next is double click. Double click means pressing the left mouse button twice quickly. This makes two click sounds and opens an item. Children, if you click two times left mouse button, then this is called double click. It is used to open any program. Now next is, let's try how to use double click. Hold the mouse, move it to bring the pointer onto the computer icon. Double click the computer icon to open it. Click on the close button. The computer window will be closed. Now right click. Pressing and releasing the right mouse button once will show a list of options on the monitor. Children, if you click right mouse button, then you will see many options on the monitor. Let's try. Move the mouse pointer to the blank area of the desktop. Now right click on it. The list of options will appear. Children, you can see here given options. After clicking right mouse button, select the view medium icons options. Observe the change in the size of icons. Now next action is dragging and dropping. This action is used to move an item from one place to another on the monitor with the help of a mouse. Children, if you want to move this program here to here, then you will use dragging and dropping action. Now next is scroll wheel. It is placed between the left and right buttons of a mouse. It is used to move the page up and down on the monitor. Children, if you want to turn your page up and down, you can use scroll wheel. See here, you can see scroll wheel in the middle of the mouse. Here left button and right button. So children, chapter 4 is completed. Now start book exercise. Question number A. Fill in the blanks. Here given hints. Now 1. A mouse is small in size. SMALL is small. Second, a mouse has a wire, WIRE wire, that is fixed to the CPU. Question number 3. Pressing the mouse button once is called clicking. Now fourth is moving an item from one place to another by holding down the left mouse button is called dragging. 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 Question number B. Write T for true or F for false. 1. A mouse helps to select any item on the monitor. True. Question 2. A mouse has 3 or 4 buttons. False. 3. Right clicking on the desktop displays a list of options on the monitor. True. 4. The small arrow that we see on a monitor is called a stick. False. The mouse pointer always moves towards the right side of the screen. False. Now question number C. Tick the right answer. 1. What do we call the small arrow moving on the monitor? Options are mouse pointer, tail, stick. So answer is mouse pointer. Question number 2. Dash opens an item. Options are single click, double click and scroll. So answer is double click. Question number D. Answer in one word. Which finger must be placed on the left mouse button? Index finger. INDEX. Index. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger, index finger. Question number 2. Where do we fix the tail of a mouse? CPU. Question number 3. Which mouse button do we use to display the list of commands on the monitor? Answer: right mouse button. R-I-G-S-T, right, M-O-U-S-E, mouse, and B-U-T-T-O-N, button, right mouse button. Children, book exercise is completed. Now, wait for my next video, part 2, copy work of lesson 4. Thank you, children.